Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan, and I again welcome you with very interesting and helpful topic that how we solve the numericals related to force and momentum. Yes, students, about the solving of the numerical, I have given you the trick. Again, you will keep that trick in your mind. And what is it? It is Rafu as. Means with the help of this simple code, you can easily solve the problems related to physics. Rafu as. Now, what is R here? R is here for reading. First, you should read the numericals carefully. F for find. You should find the physical quantities that are given in the question. Next, U for understanding, means you should understand that what is asked in the question. And after the understanding, you apply the formula. A for apply, you should apply the formula. And after the applying the formula, you should also apply all the given quantities in that particular formula. With this, after that, what should you do? You should solve the problem and you should calculate. And with the help of this simple trick, you can easily get the answer. Now, by keeping in mind this trick, we will solve this question. Now, what is it? A hammer of mass 500 gram moving at 50 meter per second and strikes a nail in 0.01 second. What is the force of the hammer on the nail? So it is the question. Now what should you do? You should write all the given quantities in this question. Given. What are given? First is mass. Mass of the hammer is given. Mass is given. And what is it? It is 500 gram. With this, what is given? Speed is given. And what is it? At 50 meter per second. So what is it? It is initial velocity. What is it? It is initial velocity. It is 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. Here, and strikes a nail in 0.01 second. So strikes a nail means when the hammer is strike to the nail, at that time the hammer will be stopped, and due to that its final velocity will be 0. It is 0. So we will also find with the help of this question. Next is time is given. Time is given in this. What is it? It is 0.01 second. 0.01 second. So these are the given quantities. Now what is asked here? Here the force is asked. So force we will try to find out. So these are the given quantities, and now what we will do? We find all the quantities. After the finding, we will understand the question. What is asked here? Force is asked here. So force we will try to find out. So for finding the force, what should we do? We should apply the formula of the force. What is it? It is MA. MA is the formula of the force. Now, what will you do? Here, the acceleration is not given. So, now what we will do? We will put the formula of acceleration here. What is it? V minus U upon T. It is the formula. Now, what you will do? You will put all these quantities in this formula. And with the help of this, you can easily get the answer. Like, what is mass here? Mass is given in gram. So we will convert it into the SI unit. And what is it? It is 0.500 kg. So here we will write 0.500. Here we will write 0.5000. Next is V. We will write here. V is given here 0. So we will write here 0. What is U here? U is here 50 second. 50 second. 50 meter per second. So it is 50 meter per second we will write here. here the 0.01. Now what will you do? You will solve it. Here f is equal to 0.500 multiply by minus 50 upon 0.01. So this point you will remove here and you will write here 500. Here you will write 100 here. Now this point you will remove and here you write 1000 you will write here. From these two zero will be cut. Now you will easily calculate it, and from this will be cut. Now when you will multiply minus 5 with this 500, then the answer you will get. And what is the answer here? It is 2500 Newton. And it is in negative, so you will write here negative. So it is the answer 2500 Newton. And what is it? It is unbalanced force and unbalanced. So student, what answer we get? We get the answer here. The force of the hammer is 2500 Newton. So with the help of this rough edge trick, we solve this question. Now we will solve the next question. So student, again we will use the same trick, that is rough edge. Now first, according to the first, we will read this. An object of mass 10 kgs, so mass is given here, is accelerated uniformly from a velocity is given of 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second. In 6 seconds time is given. So by reading we also try to find out the given quantities. So calculate the initial and final momentum of the object. So what we will try to calculate? We will try to calculate the momentum, initial and final. Also find force. And what we will find? We will find the force. So now we will write all the given quantities here. Given. In the given quantities, what is given? That is, first is mass is given. So we will write mass. What is it? It is 10 kg. Velocity is given here. Initial velocity is given. What is it? 5 meter per second. Final velocity is also given. What is it? It is 8 meter per second. Time is given. What is time here? Time is here 6 seconds. So you write here 6 seconds. So these quantities are given in the question. Now what is asked? Final momentum is asked. Initial momentum is asked. With this, what is another quantity that is asked in the question? It is force. Force is also asked. So now you will understand. After understanding, you should apply the formula. So for the final and initial momentum, the formula that we use is MU. And with the help of this, you can get that. Now what is mass here? 10. What is it? It is 5. So what is initial momentum? It is 50 kilogram meter per second. It is the answer. Next is final momentum. Again you will use the same formula, but here what is it? It is final velocity. Now again you will put the quantity 10, final is 8, so here you write 8. So and what is it? It is 80 kilogram meter per second. So this quantity we have also found final momentum and initial momentum. Another quantity that is asked in the question is force. Force. Now, what is the formula of the force, student? It is ma, means the product of mass and acceleration, but the acceleration is not given. Now you remind, there is one law that the rate of the change in momentum is directly proportional to the unbalanced force. So here we will follow that law, and according to that we can easily get the answer. So here the formula that we will use, it is the rate in the change of momentum upon time. This is the change in momentum upon time formula we will use. So this formula we will use, mv minus mu upon t. Now in this mv we have got, it is 80. So you will put this value here, 80 minus 50 upon 6, time is 6, and it is 30 upon 6. Now you cut it, and the answer that you will get here will be 5 Newton. It is the force. So all the quantities that are asked in the question, you have found those quantity. And with this, in the last, what should you write? You should write the SI unit of the particular magnitude. Like, what is the SI unit of momentum here? It is kilogram meter per second. So in the last, with the answer, you write that. You should write that. Like, what is the unit of the force? It is Newton, and that unit you should also write in the last with the magnitude. Now we will solve the next question. So in this question, calculate the mass of the body when a force of 525 Newton produces an acceleration of 3.5 meter per second. So first, what will you do? You will read, and we have read that. So given quantities you will write here. What is given here? Force is given. What is it? It is 525 Newton. Produces an acceleration. Acceleration is given. What is it? It is 3.5 meter per second square. What is asked in the question? Mass is asked. Calculate the mass. So mass we will try to find out. Now, which formula you will apply in this? Yes, student. Which formula you will apply? You will apply the same formula like F is equal to ma. So what we will try to find out? We will try to find out the m. So you can put in this all these quantities. What is it? It is 525, and what m we will try to find out, and acceleration is 3.5. So m you will try to find out 525 upon 3.5. Now you can get the answer. What is it? It is 150 kg. Then you will calculate it. So it is the answer. Mass is 150 kg. Like this, you will solve this question. It is very short question. A body of mass 30 kg has a momentum of 150 kg meter per second. Find its velocity. Now, again you will write all the quantities that are given. Mass is given here. What is it? It is 30 kg. Momentum is given here. What is it? It is 150 kg meter per second. So these are the quantities that are given. What is asked here? Velocity is asked here. Velocity. Now you will use the formula. Which formula you will use here? Momentum formula. And what is the formula of the momentum, student? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are right. It is mv, means momentum is the product of mass and velocity, mv. Now you will put these quantities here. Momentum is 150 and mass is here 30. V is here. What is V here? We will try to find out. Now when you will calculate it, then 150 upon 30, and what will be it? It is 5 meters per second. So it is the answer. So in this way you will solve the numerical related to force and momentum, student. Now you will try to solve the numericals that are given in your NCERT book, and you will also learn the formulas that are given. So thank you very much and have a nice day.